What is good? What is good? It is 4 a.m. Flying straight out of DFW to Cali. It's my first solo trip. Not too excited about it, but hey, send it. Story is, John Summit doesn't come to Dallas. He owns a club in Las Vegas. But I looked at the prices. I was like, man, I got to see him before the end of the year. He's blowing up, you know? $180 mail ticket only. I was like, oh, come on, bro. That's not even flight. That's not even board. Big supporter though. But looked this up a little over a month ago. I said $65 to go to Inglewood, LA. Might as well do it. So here I am. Oh, I made it. What do you need? It's dead empty. I need some Starbucks. I am about to crash. I went to sleep at 9. Yeah. I already brought the Tejana out. Man, I need to get this thing reshaped. Tell me why. This girl in the club went out recently. I might even cut this. Went out recently. This girl straight up grabbed it, bent it right here. I'm like, I said, pimp, you don't touch the pimp's hat. I looked at her. I was like, I don't know if that's what you're flirting, but when you're in a group, 5 people, I'm not even near you. You grabbing it from across the group. Anyways, we'll update y'all. We hop in the plane, we touch down. Let's see how it goes. You're gonna see video from my iPhone to the GoPro. Got a lot in store, so let's get to it. Alrighty, so we made it. Audio's a little loud, but we made it. We made it. We're waiting on a damn shuttle. You know, they do things differently in different states, different airports. So waiting on my shuttle. I'm gonna get Ubered, and then hit the Airbnb, catch some sleep, because it was horrible to sleep on that plane. This dude, I don't know if he had a problem with me or what. He would not talk to me, but and that's fine with me, you know. But buddy was I'm like, bro, I'm bigger than you, bro. I'm over here. You still, anyways, that's another story. But yeah, we made it to Cali, touchdown LAX, first time. Well, it's a different world out here, I will say that. Everything's different. All gender restrooms. Seen a dude with a half beard, half shave. I said, what the fuck? You good, bro? So now I'm just waiting on the next shuttle. I'll catch y'all next time. Back in this video, say hello. This is a friend of mine. She's the tour guide I just met on Tóxicas or Amores. Like I said, I'm with my tour guide. I have no clue where this girl brought me.
It's a lime margarita.
Yeah, but where are we? Where are we?
Oh, I think we're saying like, what is this?
No, where are we? Where are we, ma'am?
We are lost in the dark.
Pretty cool. I don't know where I'm at. I think I'm still in Hollywood Park, somewhere by Inglewood. I don't know where I'm at, but this is our first stop of the day. Like I said, I met her on... Okay, I won't say it, but we'll leave it at that.
You're so cute.
Hello. This is drink number 3, because this is 2. Tall is 2. I got 3 drinks. You only got 2. Yeah. Show them where we're at.
Tírame un besito, pues.
No.
Yeah.
Why you say that on all the videos? Stop recording.
Tírame un besito.
No. We're friends. Remember you said friends. You said it.
Ya, pues, like, tírale un besito a la cámara, pues.
Oh, to the camera, yeah. To the camera, yeah.
You're so cute.
Do I look swole yet? No, I gotta hit the gym. So where do you want to go next?
Your fit.
So she doesn't like, she said Jordans only, but I don't care. I'm gonna rock Adidas till I die.
Cute.
So, what do you want to do next? Where are we at?
We are here.
You gonna say hello? Hello, hello, hello? Say hello before I turn it away.
Hello.
Alright, we're here. Porsche driving experience. Paid for 30 minutes of a GT4 or GT3?
GT4.
450 horsepower. It's not that bad. You know, the GTO could keep up. Just kidding, but yeah, we're running a little bit on time. Man, they got some sweet cars. It's kind of cold out here, to be honest. I might get my jacket. Well, time to get it. See y'all in there. This is GT4, is what we're getting in? Sheesh. Beautiful. 6 pots in the front, 4 pots in the rear. I gotta get a GTO running right, man. That's one thing I'll say. I'm pretty sure they're 295s. Let's check. Yes, it's beautiful. 295s. Called it. Called it. Called it. Absolutely called it. The seats are so beautiful. I want some of those seats in my car. I want some of those seats in my car. Look how beautiful they are. Carbon fiber everywhere. And it's a manual. Save the manuals, brother. Yeah, okay. Y'all hear this, girl? Y'all hear that, girl?
No.
That's beautiful. Yo, that was crazy. They said no videos, no recording. They're like, if you want to slow down, tell us. I didn't say anything. I was like, yo, full send, brother. He's like, are you sure? We're going to do launch control. And the exhaust, I'm pretty sure they had it open because that car sounded good.
Yeah, it was super loud.
It was super loud. And man, that was crazy. I really was hoping that we could have recorded though. Like, that's the whole point. Like, anybody would pay a couple $100 to see you driving a Porsche, right? You know what I mean? Like, let us record, bro. But whatever. I guess it's closing time, so they're like ready to go. It was sweet. Thanks to my tour guide for choosing another amazing spot.
We didn't record the video.
Well,
The TikTok video.
we still have all day tomorrow.
No.
What's up, kid? Crazy. I've never seen it like this ever in my life.
I didn't get it.
Bro, what the actual fit? See it? Your boy sold out. John Summit. What's the fit? Dallas ain't like this. Why is it crazy? Why is it crazy, yo? Tell me.
We're cool here.
This is your hood.
We're cool people.
This is your hood.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah.
You sure about that? You sure about that?